Good morning. Today we're going to start with a new lesson, lesson 9 in chapter 7, which talking about multiply mixed numbers. In the previous lessons, we talked about how to multiply whole numbers with a fraction. We talked about how to multiply two fractions with each other. And today we're going to talk how to multiply the mixed numbers. Now, when you want to multiply the mixed numbers, the first step, you have to write the mixed number as a fraction. Then you have to multiply the fractions. So remember, when you want to multiply them, first step, you have to rewrite them as a fraction. Then you have to multiply the fractions. So as I told you now, the first step, to write it as a fraction. How to write it as a fraction? Let's see. Now, remember that, what is the mixed number? This is the mixed number here. 2 and 1 over 3. Where is the 2 is the whole number, 1 is the numerator, and 3 is the denominator. So it's a mixed fraction. It's a mix of whole number and fraction. And we have to know that we have three types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. The proper fraction, it means if the number in the numerator, if the number up is less than the number down, if the up is smaller and the down is larger, this is proper fraction. But if the up is larger and the down is smaller, or if though both of them are equal, we call it improper fraction. And if we have a whole number with a fraction, we call it a mixed fraction. These are the three types of fraction. Now, how can I present it to you? Yes?
But if it is like equal, like 9 out of 9, it will be like 9, and 9 is shaded. Not be it will be proper.
You have 9, and you shaded 9, it will be 1. 1 out, 2 out of 2, 3 out of 3, 4 out of 4, 5 out of 5, all of them, they are 1.
Yes.
Now, here we have as you see, we have a pizzas. Now, the first one, it is 1 whole, and we have a pizza. It's cut it for 4 pieces, and we eat, or we have, sorry, 3 of them. So you will say we have 1 and 3 out of 4. Here we have 4 out of 4. Here we have 3 out of 4. Now the 4 out of 4 is 1 and 3 out of 4. So if you want to represent it as a mixed number, you will say it's 1 and 3 out of 4. But how you will present it as an improper fraction? This is 4 out of 4. This is a 3 out of 4. When you add them, you get it as 4 plus 3 as 7. So you can represent it as 7 out of 4, and which we call it the improper fraction. And we can represent it as a mixed number. And they are equal. I mean, like 1 and 3 out of 4 is equal to 7 out of 4. But if I want to ask you now to convert the mix to fraction, do you have to every time do you have to draw a pizzas and tell me how it's equal? No, there's another way. The way is what you will do. The first one, you will multiply the whole number with the denominator, and like 3 times 5 is 15, and then the answer here, you add it to the numerator. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So you will keep it as 17, and that is the answer will be up, and down keep the 5 as it is. So I will repeat it now. If you have 2 and 3 out of 4, first step, you will keep the denominator is 4 as it is. This 4, the denominator here, keep it as 4. But I want now to write the numerator. How can I fill the numerator? Remember, you have to multiply 2 times 4, then add to 3. 2 times 4 is what?
2 times 4 equals 8. Plus 3 is
8.
equals 8.
Plus 3.
11.
11. Good job. So it will be 11 over 4. This is how to convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. You will multiply the whole number by the denominator. The answer, the product, you will add it to the numerator, and you will get this answer, and you will write it up. But the down, the denominator, keep it as it is in the question.
We take it before in grade 4, I guess. Yes, we take it.
Yeah, we take it.
Yeah, here, remind me. Now, if we have 2 and 1 over 9, first step, where is the denominator? Is it 2 or 1 or 9?
9.
9. Good. You will write it down as it is. Then now, you will multiply 2 times 9
equals 18 plus 1 equals 19. So 19.
So it will be 19 over 9. Now, did you all agree now or understand how can I write the mixed number as an improper fraction?
Yeah, it's easy.
Is there anyone have any problem?
No.
No.
Let's now go back to our lesson.
Okay.
In our lesson here, if we have 2 and 3 out of 4, you want to multiply it by 7 times 1 out of 5. What you will do? The first step, you will write or rename the mixed number as a fraction. Now, how? Remember, now where's the denominator? It's 4. So keep down here is 4. And here the denominator is 5. So keep the 5 down. But now I need to fill the numerator. How? As I told you, you have to multiply 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is what?
8.
8.
8. Plus 3.
Plus 3 equals 11.
11. Good job. Then, the next one, 7 times 5.
7 times 5 equals 35.
35.
Plus 1.
36.
36. Good job. Then, what you will do, we have now 2 fractions. The second step, we have now to multiply
36 multiplied by 11.
Now, when you multiplied, what you will multiply, Huna, the first? The numerators with each other or the numerator with denominator?
Numerator with denominator.
Good job. The numerator with the numerator. Now, let's multiply 36 times 11. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 0. 1 times 6 is 6. And 1 times 3 is 3. So it will be 396 over what? What's the next step? You have to multiply what now?
4 multiplied by 5.
Good job. You multiply 4 times 5, which is 20. Now look at the numerator. It is a very big number. Can 20 hold 396?
No.
No. So how
No.
can we rewrite it as a mixed number? How can we simplify it?
We have to we have to we have to add it. Divide, I mean.
Add it. Divide. Good job. You will divide 396 by 20. يلا. 39 over 20.
1.
1. Good job. 196 over 20.
109. 7.
No, 8 maybe. No, wait, 196. If you try 7, it will be 140. 8, 160. 9, 180. 10, 200. So which is better?
9.
9. Good job. 9 times 20 is 180. So then the remainder is 60. Then, so the answer will be 19 and 16 over 20. Is it right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can I simplify it more?
Yeah. We can divide it by
How?
2.
Yes. By 4.
By 2.
By 4. Or by 2, then by 2. We can. Bravo. Then 16 divided by 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the answer is
5.
19 and 4 over 5. So I will repeat. When you want to multiply the mixed number, first step, you have to rewrite the mixed number as fractions. Second step, you have to multiply the fractions. After you multiply them, you want to see how can you simplify. Shall you divide by the numerator and the denominator by numbers, or shall you rewrite the improper fraction to a mixed number?
Teacher,
Yes.
I didn't understand some parts.
Which one?
Like when you wanna turn the 396 out of 20 to a whole number and like that, and I didn't understand some parts too.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes.
Another thing for you, can you accept her because she went by mistake?
Okay. Just a minute. Do you have any question here before I go back?
Teacher, what is
Now back. Here. Now, all of you, please open your book, page 471. Here we have 1 over 3 times 1 and 1 over 4. Now, when you want to multiply 1 over 3 times a fraction with mixed number, what is the first step? If you see any mixed number, what is the first step?
First step, we have to make a fraction.
What? Bravo, you will have to write it as a fraction. Still want to come. Now, how to write it as a fraction?
We have to multiply 1 by 4. The whole number
Bravo.
and the denominator.
4 plus what?
4 plus 1.
Plus 1. Good job. So it will be like 1 over 3 times 5 over 4. In the second step, you will multiply the fractions. We'll multiply 1 times 5 and 3 times 4.
Yes. So
Now 1 times 5 is what?
5.
5. Good job. With 3 times 4?
12.
20. So the answer is 5 over 20.
Okay.
Can I simplify it more?
12 teacher, not 20.
I mean 12
Ah,
teachers.
12, 12. Very good.
Wait, how many? My computer had closed, so can I use my answer?
Okay, Hunad. No problem. Do you have any question now?
No,
No, teacher, it's easy.
it is easy.
Now, the second one. Here we have a whole number and we want to multiply it by a mixed number fraction. Now, when you have any mixed fraction, this is the first step you will do.
We have to multiply the whole number. You have to multiply
Yeah,
the
you have to write it as a fraction. يلا. هلا see 6 times 2.
6 times 2 equals 2.
8 is 12.
12 plus 1.
Plus 1, 13.
13. So it's 13 over 6.
Yeah. And you have to put the 12 over 1.
Good job. So here, as you noticed, we have whole number and we have mixed fraction.
Yeah.
Whole times mixed. Both of them, you have to write it, to rewrite it as a fraction in order to multiply. How to convert a mixed number to fraction? As we said, we multiply the whole number by the denominator, then we add it to the numerator. So how to write the whole number as a fraction? What you will put the denominator?
1.
1. Good job. So the whole number, how to write it? You just put the whole number with under 1. So, sorry, the whole number over 1, you write it as a fraction. Well, mixed number, you know how to write it as a fraction. When you make both of them fractions, you can multiply now. 12 times 13
equals 6.
2 times 3, 3 times 1.
1,
Teacher, the answer
And 1 times 1 is 1.
yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So it will be 156 over what?
Over
What?
6.
Over 6.
Over 6.
Over 6. Good job. Can I simplify it more?
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
yeah.
of course.
Let's do it here.
Uh,
Divide by what?
by
We
3.
get divided by both one by
By 2.
by 3.
Divided by 1.
By
6 divided by 2 is what?
6 divided by 2 is 3, and 156 divided by 2 equals.
Yeah, let's do it here. 15 divided by 2.
15 divided by 2 equals. I forgot.
7.
10.
7.
7. 7 times 2.
14.
14.
14.
14. Then 16 divided by 2.
16 divided by 2 equals
8.
78.
Good job. So it will be 78 over 3. Now, can I simplify them more?
Yes.
Yes. We can divide
Divide them by what?
Divide
3.
3.
By 3. Good job.
3 divided by equals 1.
Teacher, how can I know if 78 is a multiples of 3 or no?
Can
We can
from the A. From
add
the
7 plus 8. We can get 15. So
Bravo. 3. What's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Yeah?
I'm Sarah.
Yes, thank you, yes, Sarah. When you add 7 plus 8, these two digits, you get 15. And 15 is a multiples of 3, so 78 is a multiples of 3. When you add the two digits together, and you get 15, and 15 is a multiple of 3, so that means 78 is a multiple of 3. So that means we can divide 78 by 3.
78 divided by 3 equals 15.
Yeah. Let's divide it here now.
70.
7 divided by 3.
7
Divide by 3 equals
2.
50.
2. 2 times 3.
2 times
3.
times 3 equals 6.
Bravo. Then 1 subtract. 7 minus 6.
7 minus 6 equals 1.
1. Then 8 down. 18 over 3.
18 over 3 equals 6.
6. So it will be 26 over 1. 26 over 1 equals what?
Equals
26.
26.
26.
26. Good job. Thank you.
So the
So
answer
remember now, the answer is 26. Remember now, when you have two mixed numbers, you have to convert them or to rewrite them as a fraction. When you have a fraction with mixed number, keep the fraction as it is, but the mixed number, write it as a fraction. And when you have a whole number times a mixed number, you have to rewrite the mixed number as a fraction and the whole number as a fraction in order to multiply.
Finish.
Did you finish?
yes.
Yes, teacher, we finished.
Yep.
I finished, I mean. There's some people didn't finish, I think.
But because
Writing?
I finished this.
Now, here, find the product, write the product in the simplest form. Let's see, where did we stop yesterday?
Can I answer, Sarah?
Yes, Sarah.
Teacher, can I answer with you?
Teacher, can I answer?
Please,
Let's see now Sarah first. Yes, Sarah.
Yes. So, what do we see when we have a mixed number?
Number. You have to write as what?
Fraction.
Fraction. Good job. Keep the 3 as it is.
Yeah.
This is 3. Keep it
as it is.
Yes. Now I want to find the numerator.
Okay. So what is okay, so 3 plus 2
First, you have to multiply the whole number with the denominator. 1 times 3.
1 times 3 equals 3, and now 3 plus 2.
Plus 2. It will be what?
5.
5 over 3. Bravo. The second one.
3 multiply 5 equals 15.
Bravo. Plus what?
Plus 4 equals 19.
19. Now then, what is the next step?
Okay, we have to multiply 19 with 5.
Bravo.
9 multiply 5 equals 45, and 5 multiply 1 equals 5. Plus 4, 9. So the answer will be, for the numerator, it will be 95.
Thank you, Sarah. And on the denominator?
It will just be 15. Yeah, so 3 multiplied 5.
Now, can you simplify them more?
Yeah, we have to divide them by each other.
Yes. So, 95 over 15.
Okay, so that is 6.
6, thank you.
Okay.
And the remainder is what?
And then the remainder is 5.
Is 5. So how you write it now?
We have to write the answer. 6, which is the whole number, and the remainder, the numerator, and the divisor, the 15. We have to put it at the denominator. Also, we can simplify it more. We can divide it by 5.
Got a plus you, Sarah. Divided by 5. So then it will be 6 and what?
6 and 6, 1 and 3. The numerator is 1 and the denominator.
Thank you so much, Sarah. Bravo.
Can I answer with you, teacher? I'm Hunada.
Yes, Hunada. I will let you answer, but after they finish writing.
Okay, teacher.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I answer after Hunada?
Okay, I will let you.
Thank.
Did you finish writing?
Yes.
Yeah. Wait, did you know I'm almost done?
أصلا teacher حتى هي راحت شالت.
Who's still writing? Hurry
No.
up, please. Now. Number 2.
Wait, I'm still
Why?
writing.
Right, yes.
I'm almost finished. Teacher, yeah, I'm finished.
Now, 1 and 1 over 8 times 2 and 1 over 3.
Okay.
Yes, Hunada. 1 and 1 over 8. How you write as a mixed number?
Okay, first of all, we multiply 1 multiply 8, like the whole number multiplied by 8 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. Then it will be 9 out of 8. Multiply by 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 3 equals 6, plus 1, 7. So it will be 9 out of 8 multiplied by 7 out of 3.
Then
9 multiply 7 equals 9 multiply 7 equals 63. And 8 multiply 3 equals 8 multiply 3 yes equals 24. Then
24.
That now it is the improper fraction, so we need to divide it. Okay, 63 divided by 24 divided by 63. 24 divided by 63. It will be
2 times 24 is 48.
will be 2.
2 times 4
times 4 equals 48. Then subtract equal 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8. Okay, equals 5, and then 5 minus 4 equals 1. So it will be the remainder will be 15. So we will make it as 2 and 15 out of 24.
Thank you. Can you simplify them more?
No.
Teacher, I wanted to tell you something.
We can.
Why no?
Teacher, we can.
We can divide it by 3.
Is 15
Yes.
or 24 multiples of 3?
No.
Yes.
No.
How no?
3 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 8.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Yes, Hunada, can you simplify it more?
Teacher.
No. Muna, can you continue, please?
Yes, teacher. I am Muna.
Yes. Here, 15 over 24. Can you simplify it more?
Yes, it's by dividing it by 3. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. And 24 divided by 3 equals 8.
Teacher.
So the answer will be 2 and 5 over 8.
Another thing for you, she has a problem. Can you accept her? Oh no.
Yes.
Can I answer? I don't answer the last period.
Tomorrow I will let you answers. Okay, what's your name? Lana?
Yes.
Type. Okay, tomorrow
Miss?
now the period is finished. I will let you answer tomorrow.
Miss, can I also answer because I haven't answered in a long time, I think.
Okay, tomorrow remind me at the beginning of the lesson to let you answer.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, the period is finished. You can leave the meeting now.
Okay, teacher, goodbye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
But